In this video, we will find how many common divisors 630 and 198 have. Let's begin with the prime factorization of 630. 630 is divisible by 2. Dividing gives 315. 315 is divisible by 3. Dividing gives 105. 105 is again divisible by 3. Dividing gives 35. 35 is divisible by 5. Dividing gives 7. Finally, we can write 630 as 2 times 3 squared times 5 times 7. Now, let us factorize 198. 198 is divisible by 2. Dividing gives 99. 99 is divisible by 3. Dividing gives 33. 33 is again divisible by 3. Dividing gives 11. Finally, 198 equals 2 times 3 squared times 11. Here we have the prime factorization of both numbers. To find the greatest common divisor, we take the common prime factors, choosing the least power of each. Both numbers share a factor of 2 and 3 squared. Multiplying, we get 18. Now, we list the divisors of 18. The divisors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Therefore, 630 and 198 have 6 common divisors. Here is an alternative solution. We take the prime factorization of 18, which is 2 to the power of 1, times 3 squared. The number of divisors is found by adding 1 to each exponent, and then multiplying the results. That gives us 2 times 3, which equals 6 divisors. So again, we confirm that there are 6 common divisors.